The KAV R1 tops whatever helmet you're wearing today.
You don't have to choose between a good fit, aerodynamics, ventilation, weight, and safety. With KAV, you can have them all.
Bike helmets are designed to fit this standardized head, and if they don't fit your head, it's time for a change.
Existing helmets take the bathrobe approach to fitting. You buy it oversized and then cinch it around you.
Instead, we start with head measurements that are taken from the comfort of your own home. And our machine learning system uses those measurements to create a helmet with optimal protection and a perfect fit.
The slim profile reduces the front cross-section of your helmet, reducing drag without the need to compromise ventilation. Our custom fit system eliminates excess weight, saving you up to 40 grams.
We developed our proprietary TPE that's 20% lighter, 50% stronger, and attenuates impacts better than conventional EPS foam.
We 3D print cell structures that optimize crumpling and shearing, reducing linear and angular acceleration.
Yeah, what I love working in this industry is we're actually testing the product that we're making. You can go down a really hard trail, seeing if it's going to stay in position correctly on your head, and this thing just checked all the boxes for me.
Every helmet is not only designed, engineered, and tested in the US, but precision printed and lovingly hand finished here in Redwood City, California.
With over 20 years of experience in bike helmet development and 40 years in high-tech additive manufacturing and bringing new products to market, the team here puts everything that we love and all our experience into bringing you the KAV bike helmet. Whether you fund our campaign, help spread the word, or drop us an encouraging note, we appreciate your support in accelerating our mission for personalized protection through the KAV bike helmet. Thank you.